In this video, I'll show you how to create a theme, basically a branding theme within Power BI. Now, there are limited options which are available for you to change within Power BI service. So you can change the logo, you can change the cover image, and you can change the theme color within Power BI service. Now, in admin portal, if you have an access rights, if you are an admin on your Power BI service, then you can create a custom branding. So you can upload a logo, you can change the cover image, and you can change the theme color. So you can remove the custom branding if you do not want. You can see the preview of the custom image which you have uploaded, and then you can check whether you want that to be a part of your Power BI service or not. Now, there are limited options available, so let me show you how it will look. So as you see over here, I've set some image over here, and this image is basically, it will show on this main area when you click on the home section of your Power BI service. Uh, on the top, you will see a green color theme because I've set that green color theme over here, and then I have uploaded this logo over here. Now, let me show you how to make those changes. Now, if you are an admin, you can go into the settings and navigate to admin portal. And from here, you can set up the custom branding. So, first option, what you get is like a custom branding. So you can change the logo. Now, remember the logo should be 10 KB or smaller and at least 200 by 30 pixel. So let me upload a logo and see if I have a sample file. So let me go into the sample file, images, and let me keep say USA.png. Now it says file size must be less than 45 KB. So you need to make sure that the file size is less than what is recommended over there. So sort by size, and maybe I have this Feo icon and I have this icon USA. So let me pick up this one, and now it has changed the logo to this the flag of USA. From a cover image perspective, again it says for best result upload a cover image that's JPEG or PNG and 1 MB or smaller, so 1920 by 160 pixels. So again, you need to pick up an image which is of a bit of a high resolution. Uh, so I'll pick up say maybe this gradient effect. Click on open, and then it has changed the cover image over here. Now I have an option to crop as well, so I can edit the cover image. Now whichever section I want, I can pick up this option, and then I can pick and choose what color I want. I'll click on save changes, and then this is the cover image will be displayed. From a theme color perspective, now this is about the top navigation bar. If I select this, I can make the change, like if I want something to be not very off, so I'll just pick up say maybe a bit a lighter shade of purple, and that's it. And once you're done with it, I'll just click on publish. Now it says everyone in your organization will see this custom branding. So this is like either it's like it's none or it's all. So it will be visible for all the user who are using this Power BI service. And once you do that, it says, okay, published, your custom branding settings were published to your org. Refresh the browser. So if I refresh the browser, then I'll see that on the top bar, it has given me this purple color, which we have set as a part of the theme color. And also it has changed the logo to the US flag. Now, where does this cover image gets displayed? So if you click on home, then here you will see this cover image is displayed over here. So these are some of the limited branding option which is available as a part of Power BI service. Now, if you have a Power BI mobile app, then this is how it will look in the Power BI mobile. Now, this was the earlier icon, earlier color, and earlier theme. So if I just say just refresh this, so if I again go back, and maybe I just need to refresh this again. So maybe I'll just go into say one of the dashboard, and maybe I'll just go back. or maybe I'll just open the Power BI application again within my mobile application. So let me close this application, and let me open this application again. And now, as you see over here, I have opened this application again. It is reflecting the new logo, the new brand color, and the new cover image. So this is how it will look in mobile application. So that's it, folks. This is how you can change the branding within Power BI service. Thanks for watching.